right. Let's see. All right. Testing this right here. Don't like that at all. Why can't I? Okay. Alright. Tired of listening to your show.
I did watch my show. I turned it off a long time ago.
Hmm.
I turned the TV off a long time ago. Let's do the game card stuff.
Now I'm started getting this live stream thing working. Here. So there, closure there. So then that closure there, yeah. This 5 minute down, up. Get some sounds. Okay. So 15 is scrolling. I still have it coming up to here. Have it there to 839. Obviously, it's 50 points. There's that. With then if we get a closure here, maybe on the 1 to go up, this looks promising. On the 5, it is 1049. So we want a closure here, maybe dip down. That's soaring. So 5 minute ends on this one candle, and there's that. Okay. So it's wow, way more than I thought. Probably just gonna go crazy, and then it's all right there. I don't know if it's gonna go. So it closed, dipped down there, so we could have done that. wanted a further retracement, which we didn't get. That was the 15. Alrighty. Did that close? Oh Lord. How do I be able to move this? Did it swept there? They don't really care about us. So I want to see that, but then here, I don't like this platform. So it's up there. So would have expected that. So this high, 817.25. Close under 6. Okay, so all underneath there. If we get something into here, see if it respects. Or it's just gonna keep going. So at the top of the hour, which is what I would expect. There's that. Ooh, I don't. Ooh. It's no sweep. Let's see where that closes. Little space. So I have it coming up to at least here in this area. Okay, so we have that blue 877. Obviously, I'd love to comes down. I'd love for you to come and sweep this candle. Sweep that candle. So 5, 15. That's the hourly candle there. All right, so 5 closes in 9 seconds. And then we have no closure here. I would expect a sweep here. So maybe new 5 come here. Into here would be good. The 15. This is the last one, 15. Okay, going for those 5-point victories. Assuming you make them. Still have it going up to that. So there's that. Should have been a little quicker with this here. So we have right there. Oh, so these 3 make up this 15. The hourly closes in 4 minutes. Cool. This was the area, probably some S&D in here on the second symphony. Oh man, this is brutal. It's only 11. Yeah. Okay, so what we need. Okay, so low 77.75. Oh, what do you do it like I do it? When I do it, dog, I do it. I get to the middle. So double bottom. See here. 3 minutes. Yes, it's at the bottom and top of the hour. I have it coming up here. I don't like this not doing it. Since all I know about this day is right here. Hourly. So technically, we're still bullish. Structure break on the 1 would be here. On the 5. 5 minutes. So low 75475. Close 754. Okay. So this would be the breaker structure on the 5 as well. And yeah. Looks like we can get a pop. It's not going up, going down. So we could get a little bit of a pop. Okay. So 1 minute. So single candles. We have that one. We could have not that one. Oh, that one was. Which did that. This is that single candle entry right here below. I'm giving you a nice a little bit, but this double bottom should then expect to run these highs at 13 seconds. So this might close around here, above here, expecting this high. Maybe that will bring us into there. See where the next hour will take us. Still overly bearish on the higher time frame. Some new hour. Okay. where okay, so we got bullish there. Would expect that high to go. Let's see. Pretty slow today. Don't like right there. Break it, head up into this box here. Should get a spin, turn around right there at the 30.
What are you doing?
I'm practicing. Boom, boom, boom. 5 could take it down. Breaker structure is here. Okay, still got it going up. There's the highs. That took forever. Could be manipulation now. So, yeah. How far back is this? My goodness gracious. So 866. I see the 80s here. This, and this. So around that 30%, yeah. Unless it just doesn't want to. Okay. So you had a couple there. We got definitely extended. Boom, 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 boom. 5 is just remember right here, I'm looking for my time. Okay. I still see it the way that it's like a slow grind. I wonder, 20 seconds here. Boom. It's like there, then here. Probably going to close. So we have, what is the high here? 879. So I would expect a sweep of this 879. So above here, 50 would be nice. What am I gonna do? So we're gonna have, I see that 30 getting hit. 15 at 7 more minutes. This is slow as molasses right now. Okay, get, obviously it's hard flowing. So you hit it, just to hit it up there. Where's your stop? It'll be right here. Okay, I see it coming up here. Let's see, 877, yeah. So we know the other one was around there. And I just want follow through. Okay, let me see what I'm gonna do. Could take 5 quick little wins.
But Kimmy, you have a negative RR.
Oh, shut up. Nope. Good. So here's this. This would be where the actual stop would be. I see it coming up here, so I don't. We do have this in here. May not even need it, but there's that. It's just really slow. Could from here, because that closed above, it looks like. Like to see a closure within and then wick. It looks like it might wick down into here, or it could shoot up. Like I said, I don't see it coming down here. I just We're so bullish all the way. We haven't broken any structure. I still just see it. There's that. So you'd be like, oh, but what do you do at 16 points? Again, I see it coming up to here. I don't know what it's going to do when it's there, but the point of 10 points is to take it and run, to be able to take your 10 points at will. Cut the greed. I know how to take them consistently. I'm not going to worry about it. So far for this session, we have using 3 micros, taking 10. Just consistent winners here. I do try to manage my stop. Like I said, I see it. I don't see it continuing past this area because we are bullish. This is the, whatever you want to call it, area that brought it down. So I see it touching this, which then on this would be a sweep. This just looks lethargic to me. So I don't know how high we're going to go. Can't see to the left, but we'll see. It's 11:12, so it's 15. Yep, there we go. Where does it go? Where does it go? Structure break still be here on the 1. It's also the 5-minute structure break here. So that there. High 890. Okay. 15-minute closes in a minute and a half. So after this candle. Okay. So higher time frames now. That would be a wick. Obviously higher time frame hours. So this is what I'm really intrigued by. Ooh. 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 I would to short to maybe stay here to see. To take shorts into here, closure below here, come back up into this area, take it down. Stops would be right above here. Of course, it could do it right now. It is 45 seconds to the end of the 15. Yeah. I think there needs to be a pullback here. I'm always seemingly early if I say sell, and I think it needs to come back down this area, even this area. We have this area that needs to be touched again, even here, but typically early, all the time. So trying to manage getting the executions where I can have these stops where I'm not so, especially as I progress with Apex, as I'm funded with them, they get strict. So yeah. Now, I don't like how slow it is, but it is 11:15. Okay, got a wick here. So, okay, could go lower. Okay. Now we have a new 15. Now 15 doesn't say anything. I don't know how man. Now, with no closure, this doesn't look like it closed below. I need a closure above here. This low, 85925. 859. Okay, so didn't close, so it needs to close above here to continue upwards. If it wicks it, then and closes within, and the next candle like this. Oh, no. Wrong chart. Come on, Skip. Okay, so we wicked it. Now follow through would be a closure below here. And then that could take us to sweep all this, take this, and maybe back into here. Something where it would be boom, boom, boom type of thing. Boom, boom, boom. That could be. Or it could bounce to here. Obviously with that MA, boom, go up. Could dive right through it. It is heavily bullish right now. I'm expecting some sort of a flip. There's that wick again. Failure to go below. Again. Now we would look for this high and this high, unless it's just going to fall. So we want it to go, it's going to go up back up here. It needs to break this high. But immediately this could probably touch right here. And that'd be 10 points up there if it hits there. Stop though for this would be, this is where that trade's invalid, would be down here. Of course, this could still get a wick. Let's see. It's going really slow though. It's real trading though, a lot of patience. Okay, so very little, we would need to see something. Obviously we have the 4-hour closure in 40 minutes. This Wheelan special could be like a little flag maybe, but I just don't see it. I don't like this. I don't like real deep wick. It just, I mean, every one of these, you see it, boom, 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 boom. There's nothing there, so I still just see some type of forming of a wick down at 812. So down into here. So here's that, what we're saying. You're looking for that high. And you're seeing the candles just moving really low, not getting it.
Where are you? Oh, there you go. Down backwards.
They're like on drop. Didn't even get to that high. Ugh. Okay. Will it is close. 12 seconds, 11. We're gonna hit that high. Speeding up.
I see you.
That's a closure below. So we could have something right around in here. Okay, so that closed there. So we have a closure below. Below this. So still bearish. See the little wedge. 21, so 4 minutes, new 5 just started. See the 15. I just.
Okay, get your shoe on. I'm right here. I know.
Okay, so we're still going down. It's down. We see here 809. It's 30 points.
What?
Right here. This area. Like I said, we do have this one. It never hit that high. Goes down, just taps right back into it. So now, yeah. Are we going to see a 15 flip? Now the 5 could go off the 5 minute. Here, closure. If we do get it up, I'm going to bring it down because I do think it wants to break these lows. But so this is where then technically the top of the range. We expanded that, so we're going to bring it down. I think, like I said, we've got here, which would give us a little bottom wick on the 15. May have been too early. Closure above I don't like, so we could see coming up here. Also playing could have just waited there. Like I said, I don't. All right. See, look how slow it is. So even if we do, it could just been right here. Yeah. Oh, can't really scroll these, but this right over here. Closure here. It did wick this. So that's great. So you probably could see up to here. So a little early. But look at the 15, then yes. I still like it into here. So 10-point trade lab, though, we're about taking 10 points. So, but I think the momentum on this could bring down a little bit more. Like I said, I see it down to here, these lows. So a good thing is if it comes in here, then great. It's still perfect on the day, working on the greed. But 10 points is what we're really after every time and being able to nail it. Now it's playing. I feel like it's just gonna. But I don't know. I don't. I don't know. We could, again, with the name of the channel, 10 points and be done. Which probably would have been smart. Where did we get in at? 40. Can't read that. Oh. Still think it's going to come to here. Let's see. I would see it right here. But like I said, on the 15, I think there needs to be at least a sweep or something. So I'm playing this sweep look, which would be 815. Low, 810. So 810 even lower. So it'd be like right here. So we're at 10 right now. Take profit, done. One contract, you know how to do it, done. Just knowing where we're doing it. Oh, should have taken your 10 points. Good. That's why we take 10 points. Every time. We could have taken 10 points. Well, how many times now? Once? If it does sweep this right here, it needs to close above here. Again, there's that high here too. Could just be coming back here, redoing this. So this, I don't like that it didn't close above here. Oh, it's 30 minutes. Okay. So that explains some of it then. If it's 11:30, yeah. And then the next half hour with the 4 hour could get a little volatile. Could see. But I don't really know. Could take it. So this is where you take your 10 points. Boom, be done. Your one contract. There's your $200 for the day. 20 across. There you go. Now, if it didn't do here, I would expect it here. And this low right here, put in that high. It's failing to do that. So at least here, that would be like the first safe TP. Like I said, I can see it coming down into here. Right here is where I see it. I think that's where we can do it. This is where you had your little wedge thing or whatever. So we're at 25. So 49, 39. No, I want my 10. I'm that guy. No, getting too greedy. Gonna do it off. I was 2 10-point trades, but I measure them in 10 points. But like I said, I mean, you're starting to see this now. I think right here would have been here would have been a good target. If it wicks it, strong reaction up, then we're going higher. If it drives through it into here, now we have an S&DR that's going to stop it and we can go down lower. But with that trade, even at 3 micros, 35 points a day, it's three and a half trades. It's $210, but that was what, 20 points, 25 points? So, all right. So, there we go. A little bit of back testing.